Hello everyone, welcome back to Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. Today is April the 26th. I am on beautiful Lake Gage in northern Indiana. My purpose of being out here is twofold today. You can tell it's quite windy out. I'm actually on the calm side of the lake, so it's gonna be interesting on the other side of the lake. But the two objectives that I have for today is one, I want to check out some of the gear that I got for fishing for coho salmon on Lake Michigan, some of the trolling gear that I got, including some flasher flies, some small spoons and other stuff like that, just to make sure it runs correctly and everything looks good there. I'm hoping to run into a few rainbow trout while I'm doing that. I'm gonna do that for an hour or two, or unless the bite's really good, I might do that for a little bit longer to get some more rainbows. But then my second objective for today is I'm gonna put on some big trolling spoons, like mag spoons that I would use for big salmon out on Lake Michigan. I'm gonna troll around this lake and hopefully tie into a northern pike. There's some really big pike in this lake. It tends to be that all the lakes and rivers and things that get stocked with a lot of these rainbow trout tend to have the biggest pike in them. So like I said, I'm hoping to tie into one of those today. So stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. Feels like a good fish, or he's just fighting hard. Not really sure which. Nope. Just fighting hard, not really any bigger. That'll work. Nice. Nice little rainbow. Nothing wrong with that guy. I'll take it. On the Michigan Stinger. Pretty cool. I'm gonna knock out a... Oh god, I got another one. Gotta knock out a limit pretty quick here. Barely moving. Another one. These guys are so easy to catch this time of year. Holy crap, they're dumb. Okay. Well, actually, I can stop moving since I don't have any lures in the water. A couple of nice little rainbows. Nothing wrong with them. They will eat very, very well. Got another fish on. Stacked in like the worst place they could possibly be. Not too bad. He's fighting good. For a little tiny rainbow. Doing alright for himself. Just got that spoon back out. Bam, hit again. Well, it looks like I'll be pike fishing here momentarily. Good rainbow. Nice fat rainbows. Yes, they are. In fact, I should probably get that out of the water before I get another fish on it. That would technically not be allowed. All right, it's real windy, so I'll try to speak up so you guys can hear me. This is the setup I just used to catch those rainbows. Got one of these little 4.0 Dodgers down to this little Michigan Stinger spoon. That's it, about 3 feet between the flasher and the spoon. And I just knocked out a limit in less than an hour. I mean, it was fast. So I'm gonna get set up and I'm gonna start trolling for some pike and hope for one big bite, hopefully one giant fish. So I'll check back in if anything else happens. Something serious on here, fellas. Hit it like a ton of bricks. Smallmouth, really? Oh my gosh, that is insane. Caught a giant smallmouth on a huge mag spoon. Holy crap. Oh yeah, look at that. What are you doing eating that spoon? Oh my gosh, that beautiful smallmouth. Crushed a mag spoon, 2.5 miles an hour. Boy, I thought that was gonna be a big old pike, and I was wrong, but I'm still pleasantly surprised. Let's let her go. Jeez, crushed that mag spoon. Oh my God. Holy shit. Dude was gonna go flying for a minute there. Holy crap. That's insane. Well, part one went completely according to plan. I limited out on trout in about an hour. I didn't even make it a third of the way around the lake before I caught my 5. I went 5 for 6 in total. Part two, definitely not what I expected. Like I said, I didn't get any pike, but I did get a nice smallmouth that randomly hit a mag spoon, which is kind of crazy. But overall, pretty good day. The wind's just getting crazy, so I'm gonna get out of here. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video.